Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of OhmKat TV. Here we are with our video doorbell chime, which also works with our water wrangler. We get a lot of requests to know what the chimes are, so I thought I'd make a video of all 35. This is going to be exciting. Lots and lots of wild and crazy sounds. So here's our first one. Standard doorbell chime. It's nice and clean. Number 2. More like a phone ring. Number 3. The classics. Number 4 is another classic normal doorbell chime. Westminster is number 5. Everyone likes the Westminster chimes. Modern for number 6. Number 7's coming up. The classic scales. Number 8. Reverse scales. Number 9. Kind of a standard. Number 10. Fun. Russian. 11. It's a traditional chime there. Here's number 12. Very similar. In reverse. It's number 13. A little more classical. 14. 15. 'Oh, I love the 50s. A little pop music right there. Little Mermaid. It's number 17. Number 18. Not sure what this one is. A little more somber. Number 19. Ring ring, like an old phone. Number 20. Good stuff. 21. Somebody's gonna like that one. 22. Oh, Beethoven. 23. Okay, sounds pretty good. 24. More classical. 25. 26. Oh, folk music. Good. 27. Jingle bells. See, we got holiday specials in here too. 27. Oh, sorry, this is 28. $29. Ooh, Chinese. 30. Little more classic. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. Ooh, Cats for all you Broadway fans out there. Memories. Hi-ho Silver. It's the Lone Ranger time. It's 36. 37. 'And I believe that is it. But let's just double check, see what's coming up next. Standard doorbell. So we did the whole run here. We did 1 through 37. That's a lot of different tunes. You find one you like, stick with it. Again, you just keep on pressing the button until you find what you like. All right. Thank you guys very much. Now let freedom ring. Enjoy those tunes. Have a great day.